So here is the 4 taurus. So I need to clean the AC evaporator. You can see the AC evaporator, so need to be clean in here. So to clean this evaporator, need to open manifold. Have to open manifold. So to open the manifold, have to open the wire, or the wire, and separate it. So there is 8 bolts here. You can see 8 bolts here, and have to open this pipe. Okay. So to open the manifold, open this pipe and separate this pipe. Okay. To the servo, the brake vacuum. Okay. And this, separate it. There's it. So the manifold, the intake manifold is out. So here are the station valve and the vibrator. The station valve leads to the vibrator. Okay. So we have to open this 13 bolt down here. So we have to take off this 13 bolt. So when you take off this 13 bolt, so you can be able to open the pipe. So as soon as I open the pipe, I can also remove the valve, so I can be able to clean the evaporator inside. Okay, so you can see how the pipe go. Come here. Okay. So don't forget. So this is the manifold, and here are the throttle body. So to install the manifold, you have to open this 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, 8 here. So to install the manifold, you can see the long bolt. Okay. So to also install the manifold, you have to make sure that you tighten everything properly fine, and also check the seal that is still here. You can see. You can see that is sealed. Okay. Okay. So you can see. So gas to open. So the 13 bolts, 13 nuts. You can see. So here are the nuts. Is 13 millimeter. Okay. That is it. Okay. So the station valve, you can see the Allen key out, and that is it. So this is the station valve. Okay. So that is a evaporator. Okay. Okay. So have to use this and put the chemical inside. Put the chemical inside. So after, have to flush it with air. So now it's time to fix back, to install back the station valve after cleaning the evaporator. Okay. So now it's time to install back. So here it has to be downside like this way. Okay. Yes. So this is the boot. Okay. This goes this way. this way. So this seal has to be replaced. The seal is on the discharge pipe, have to be replaced. Big seal have to be replaced. Avoid leak. Replace the seal.